Object and classes. Class. Class definition. A class definition starts with the keyword class followed by the class name, and the class body ended by the end class statement. The following is the general form of a class definition, where attribute list is a list of attributes that apply to the class. Optional. Access modifier defines the access levels of the class. It has values as public, protected, friend, protected friend, and private. Optional. Shadows indicate that the variable redeclares and hides an identically named element or set of overloaded elements in a base class. Optional. Must inherit specifies that the class can be used only as a base class and that you cannot create an object directly from it. That is an abstract class. Optional. Object. It is a real-time entity. An object can be considered a thing that can perform a set of related activities. The set of activities that the object performs defines the object's behavior. In pure OOP terms, an object is an instance of a class. Example program for an object. Member functions and encapsulation. A member function of a class is a function that has its definition prototyped within the class definition like any other variable. It operates on any object of the class of which it is a member and has access to all the members of a class for that object. Member variables are attributes of an object from a design perspective, and they are kept private to implement encapsulation. These variables can only be accessed using the public member functions. In this example, we encapsulate some data such as height, width, thickness, and method getVolume. Other methods or objects can interact with this object through methods that have public access modifier. Constructors and destructors. In C#, classes have complicated internal structure. Constructors and destructors are special member functions of classes that are used to construct and destroy class objects. Construction may involve memory allocation and initialization of objects. Destruction may involve cleanup and deallocation of memory for objects. Constructors and destructors do not have return types, nor can they have return values. References and pointers cannot be used on constructors and destructors because their addresses cannot be taken. Constructors cannot be declared with the keyword virtual.